In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create your wallet. How to create your wallet. There are some persons who have lost their seed phrase of their old Pi wallet they created, and they are already migrated. I want to let you know that if you don't change that wallet, all your Pi will be sent to the lost wallet, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. So if you are one of those persons whose wallet phrase is lost and you are already migrated, so you need to say goodbye to the Pi that is already transferred to the lost wallet phrase. That is, if you at any time uninstalled your app, so you need to put that phrase to recover the wallet. That means that wallet without the phrase is gone. So, but all hope are not lost. You still have a chance to gain or to earn Pi. So the next thing you are supposed to do is to head straight to your Pi wallet by clicking on number 2 that says create that want you to create Pi wallet. So when you click on number 2, it's going to automatically bring you to this place. And this is your Pi browser. Wonderful. This is your Pi browser. As you can see, it's asking me to create wallet. What do I do? Without me having this phrase, I will not be able to enter into the wallet. That means if you are one of those people that has already lost their seed phrase, after uninstalling the app, you will not be able to gain that wallet again. So what you need to do now is to scroll down. You see there are 3 lines, 3 lines by the downside of this screen. You see the first is lost your phrase. You can create a new wallet. So click on that. You can create a new wallet. Once you click on it, it's going to show you this, and then you click on create new wallet. And even if you have not created before and you're not even aware that Pi is creating wallets, this is exactly what you need to do. Click on that create new wallet, click on generate new wallet. Once you click on generate new wallet, I have my own wallet, so I don't need new wallet. So once you click on generate new wallet, this is what you will get. All right, you will get a new wallet like this. So that is how it works. All right, so that is for that. So once you do that, you automatically have a brand new wallet. Maybe in the subsequent lesson, I will teach you how to get your seed phrase from your wallet, how to know your seed phrase, or how to copy your seed phrase. Assuming you have not uninstalled your app and you find out that you misplaced the seed phrase, how do you get it again? If you need this video, please let me know in the comment section that you need it, so that it will inspire me to do it. If you need video how to recover your seed phrase from your wallet when you have not uninstalled your phone or uninstalled the app, let me know in the comment section, and you can be sure I will make the video for you to see. Okay, now we are done with we are done with wallet creation. Now, the next thing is we go back to the mainnet checklist. That's where I want to be taking this lesson one after the other. That's how I want to be taking this lesson. So in the number 1, we have treated about how to create wallet. And I believe with this tutorial, you will be able to create your wallet. Now, next is number 3. It says confirm your Pi wallet. For those of you whose number 3 is not ticked green like this, it means that you have not confirmed your wallet. So what you need to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you for you to enter your seed phrase. So the seed phrase you copied while creating your wallet is what you are going to enter here. Do not be afraid. It is completely safe. This is from Pi community. So enter the seed phrase into this column and then click confirm wallet. Once you click confirm wallet, you are going to be shown something else to do. And then you are expected to say accept. You accept the condition and then you are done with that. As simple as this, you are heading to compliant with the Pi community mainnet checklist. So I have simplified number 3. So let's go to number 4. Number 4 is commit to lockup. So if your own has not ticked green like this, all you need to do is to click on it. It will bring you to this place. You see, this wallet or this app I'm using to make this video has locked 100% of whatever that will be mined from this app for 3 years. Wonderful. So this person doesn't want to have access to any of this coin. So from the point or from the date it is migrated, he is locking everything 100% for 3 years. Well, this is a good idea, but then it has its own challenges too. But if you ask me, I would say this is a good idea. So you can decide to lock your own for 1 year. You can decide to lock your own for 6 months. You can decide to lock for 2 weeks. But this guy decided to lock for 3 years. You can also lock 90% of your coin, meaning that 90% of your coin will be locked while 10 will be released to you. And remember, the way it is now, it is showing that 90% will be locked for 3 years. If I put it here, it shows that 50% will be locked for 3 years. If I put it here, it shows that 25% will be locked for 3 years. But this guy chooses to lock 100% for 3 years. If you like this arrangement, tell us in the comment section. What do you think is wrong with this arrangement? I would like to learn from you. So use the comment section to educate me. Alright? So this guy whose account is being used has locked for 3 years. So this is how to commit to lockup. So once you have set the number 1 lockup percentage, you say 100. Number 2, lockup duration, say 3 years. Then you come down here and click commit, increase commitment or commit to lockup. So once you click that, you have a successful response, meaning that you have done it. So you go back. So we're still on number 4. So we're now going to number 5. I explained this number 5 when we were taking in the previous lesson. I explained the number 5. So you can now see that when you click on this number 5, for me, it's not clicking again because it's now verified. So what is required here is you click on it just the same way you have been clicking others, and then you choose between Facebook and phone number. So Facebook is faster and easier, but phone number has its own challenges because sometimes they will not send OTP due to service or one thing or the other. So Facebook is faster. That is how to complete mainnet checklist number 5. All right, number 6 now. It says sign acknowledgement to receive token. Without signing this acknowledgement to receive token, you will never receive your token. So what you're expected to do here is to click on this. Once you click on it, it's going to open this document, and all you need to do is to accept it. But then it will be asking you your seed phrase. So do not be afraid. Put your seed phrase, accept the condition, and you have signed the acknowledgement to receive tokens. Of course, number 7, submit your KYC. As a new user, You can see this account is a new user. I don't think this account has been up to 3 months. No, it's not up to 3 months, but you can see you already have 19. We are going to check the transferable and non-transferable. I will show you that by the end of this lesson. So you need to watch this video to the very end to be able to understand what is going on here. All right. So you need to submit your KYC. As a new user, you need to have mined for 30 times. That is 30 days. If you have mined for 30 days, you automatically receive KYC slot. So make your KYC, complete your KYC immediately by using either national ID, your international passport. If you are using your national ID, please don't use the slip, the paper one. Go and reprint. If possible, print it in plastic or even the paper and laminate it. Use the other original format, not the paper one, for ease and quick approval. All right. So once you have completed your KYC, probably you want me to take you around on this KYC. So let's go. We'll go to KYC. So we'll click on KYC. So once you click on KYC, this account has already completed KYC. So it may not be suitable for me to use it to teach you step by step on how to do KYC. But maybe in a subsequent lesson, there may be need for us to go through that again.